we're going to look today at how to find the equation of a circle that doesn't go through the centre. So hopefully you'll know the general form of a circle. So we had x squared plus y squared equals the radius squared. Okay, so that was the general form of a circle that passes through the centre. Now this one's going to change a bit. This one's going to change a bit. It's still kind of in that formula, but we're going to have a look about why. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that for now. And this time, okay, so this line here, we can again make another right angled triangle. Okay, so here, to find the radius squared, that's going to be the same as this length here, squared, plus this length here, squared. Okay, so this just goes from Pythagoras theorem. And so all we have to do is work out what these are in terms of x, y, a and b. Okay, so our centre here is the point A. So, this point here, hopefully you'll realise, is our x value. So this coordinate here, which here in this case is 5, take away our a value here. So it's going to be x minus a, or in this case 5 minus 2, which is 3. But I'm going to leave it in algebraic form. So we've got x minus a. Okay? And this one here, again, it's going to be our y value up here. So our y value, take away our b value down here. So it's going to be y minus b. So in this case, it's going to be 6, take away 2, which would be 4. But I'll leave it as this. So it's going to be y, take away 4. B, I'll leave it here. Y, take away b. Okay? So that one's y, take away b. And this one here was x, take away a. Equals x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. So I can just plug that back into my equation. I've got r squared equals x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. Okay, so in this case we end up with r squared, which is, in this case we've got 5. R squared equals x minus 2. Our a value here is 2, so looking at this value here, we've got our AB is going to be 2 and 2, the coordinate of that is 2, so we've got x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared. And our radius here is going to be 5, so we end up with 5 squared equals, get rid of that, r squared equals, sorry, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared, so we end up with 5 squared equals x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared. Okay? Go back. So looking here, we've got this equation. So we've got x squared plus y squared, sorry, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25, and that's given us that graph there. We're just going to play around with it and see what happens, all right? And you can do this, go on desmos.com and play around with it. So hopefully you'll all be aware that if I change this to 36, our circle will get slightly larger, all right? We'll have a radius of 6 instead of 5. I can show you that by copying that and pasting it here, and then so if I change this down to 25, it's then got it there, okay? So change this one back up to 25 as well. And so we're dealing with a circle with a radius of 5. Now what happens when you change one of these values here? So instead of x minus 2, if we changed it to x minus 3, we can see that it's moved apart. And hopefully you'll be able to realise, because this is x minus 3 and y minus 2, the centre of this circle is going to be at the coordinate 3, 2. Okay? So the centre, so it's going to be 3, 2. The circle above was 2, 2. Okay? If we do another one, and so copy all this again and paste it below here, by changing the y value, this should change where it goes up or down, so the centre of the circle would rise up. So if I change that to 3, the centre of the circle here is going to be 3, 3. If you change this to a plus 3, the centre of the circle is now 3 on the x and minus 3. Okay. So basically, x minus a squared plus y minus equals r squared. So minus 4 squared plus y and a rate of 5. Thank you very much for watching.